I decided that I know a lot about airsofting. Before I got the job that I have now, I wanted a job at an airsofting store. So I asked my roommate, who is pretty much an airsofting guru. He actively participates in the airsofting world. I don't know. So I asked him to give me some basic lessons, like a 101 airsofting class. I learned all the airsofting parts to the guns. This is the silencer. This is the pistol grip. This is the selector switch. This is the slide, which I'm really good at doing now. That's the safety. That's the safety. That's the slide release. And this is the hammer. And when you pull back the slide, it pushes the hammer down. So if it was actually like had little BB, no, what are those things called? Fuck my life. Those little, they're, I'll think of it. What are those things called? Airsofting pellets? I think this is a mag release, right? Yeah, it's a mag release. Isn't it? Okay, well, it won't let me push it, so maybe it's not the mag release. Maybe I lied. I know where the mag release is. Come on, I mean, who doesn't know where the mag release is? I could have sworn that was it. Where? What is this? This is like nothing. Does this even do anything? How do you get the fucking mag out? Holy shit. Oh, got it. I knew that. Then what is this? That's just the other side of the slide release, I guess. Okay, well, mag, where you put those little, what are those called? Zinc. Okay. I mean, I knew that before, obviously, because I spent so much time studying airsofting. Anyway, I was so interested in learning all of this airsofting stuff because I've been in airsofting stores before, and the girls there just don't know what they're doing. You can ask any boy there and they'll be very helpful, but you can ask a girl and she won't know what she's doing. If you ask a girl, she'll point you in a general direction. I think the scope rings are somewhere in that big glass case. Or she'll ask a male coworker. Yeah, I'm not really sure what you're asking for, but I can get David over here to help you. He's really good at this kind of stuff. And as a last resort, if they can't find a male coworker, they'll just flat out tell you that they don't know what they're doing. Banana magazines. We don't sell food or magazines here. We just sell fake guns. I didn't want to be just another pretty face behind the cashier. So for 3 weeks, airsofting was my life. I learned everything there is to know about guns. How they work, how they operate, maintenance. I watched badass gun movies like Mr. and Mrs. Smith and The Transporter and The Avengers. I played Halo Reach and Left 4 Dead 1 and 2 like crazy. So let me click anything. Why is he talking to me?
He's giving you your objective.
Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back.
Shoot them, you're holding the gun.
Oh, that's a Marine. Never mind.
That's okay, it's not that important if you shoot them. Hey, you got one.
What's this? Is that a bad guy?
Yeah, if it's green, it's an ally. If it's red, it's an enemy. So that's green, that's an ally.
If it's green, it's an ally?
Yes.
Oh, my God. What if it's blue?
Then you're not pointing at anything.
Oh. I worked really, really hard to get this job, and I didn't end up getting it. They hired a guy instead of me. Well, at least the guy who got hired probably knows a lot about guns. Well, there you have it. I know a lot about guns. Oh, fitting. See you next time. Bye. Subscribe to me. Yes, we subscribe. Because we subscribe. Because we love me. Yes, we do. And we love you.